Good day, everyone. This is Sir Don, and welcome to another learning session. Today, we're going to discuss lesson number 17, which is about business attire. Okay, as we approach our mock job interview, the world of business communication, business attire is very important. Bakit? Business attire is essential sa professional communication kasi bago ka pa magsalita, the way you look already sends a message, an impact. Sa workplace or kahit sa business interactions, hindi lang ito tungkol sa fashion pero tungkol sa credibility, respect at professionalism na makikita natin din sa pananamit or paano kumilos ang isang empleyado o isang tao na nag-a-apply ng trabaho. Okay? Kapag maayos ang suot, nakakapag-create ito ng positive first impression. Nakakapag-project ng confidence at mas nagiging convincing ang sinasabi mo. No? So, today we're going to discuss business attire pertinent to our mock job interview. And let me read to you the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to differentiate ano ba yung business professional attire at pinagkaiba niya sa business casual attire. And also identify the importance of wearing business attire. Okay? Let's begin by defining what is proper business attire. Proper business attire refers to the clothing that employees wear to work. Ang ibig sabihin ng proper business attire ay ang tamang pananamit na angkop sa profesional para sa opisina o anumang business-related na gawain. Okay? Depending on the workplace, various levels of the formality of business attire are expected and the norm. Halimbawa, sa lalaki slacks, polo o long sleeves na may kwelyo, leather shoes, o minsan ay may necktie o blazer. Depende sa formality ng okasyon or ng position, pwede rin, or ng mandate ng company. Say for example, sa mga babae naman, blouse na may kwelyo or formal top, slacks, or skirt na hindi masyadong maikli, closed shoes or heels at blazer kung kinakailangan. These are example of business attire. No? Sa madaling salita, proper business attire ang pananamit or tumutukoy sa pananamit na naaangkop. Now, what is the difference of business professional attire doon sa business casual attire? Okay? Ang business professional attire, this is usually we use for any first meeting, business presentation, and job interviews. This is the most formal style of workplace clothing. Okay? Usually required in corporate, financial, or high-level business setting. Okay? And ginagamit natin yung professional attire or business professional attire kapag tayo may mga meeting, may business presentation, or even job interviews. Ano naman yung business casual attire? Kumbaga, ang business casual attire ay mas relaxed version ng professional business attire. But, okay, it is needed that the employee wearing business casual attire to be neat, polished, and presentable still. Madalas itong ginagamit for our regular days. Okay, business casual attire is just plain casual, is appropriate workplace attire, and is being used during regular days. Okay, but nakadepende pa rin yan dahil merong mga kumpanya na merong prescribed uniform. Now, ano ba yung business professional attire na recommended kapag sa mga lalaki? Okay, of course, it may be full suit with matching jacket and pants. Siyempre, dapat hindi naman lukot-lukot. It should be iron-pressed. Okay, dapat colored yung shirt, no? With plain tie. Dark leather shoes. The bottom tie should just barely cover the entire belt. No cologne, no visible tattoos or piercing. Pero itong mga ito ay nakadepende again sa company. Now, I have here business professional attire for female, like black skirts or pantsuit na may neutral colors. It is also recommended na below the knee or little below the knee, never shorter than above the knee, yung kanilang skirt suits. Siyempre, dapat, again, na-pressed or na-iron, na-plan siya, hindi lukot-lukot, colored button-down shirt. And etc., etc. So you can explore on it and read it. Now, I have here business casual attire for male. Dyan pwede na yung mga polo shirt, okay? And depending nga sa company. So, I have here listed yung mga pwede. Ganun din sa mga female. So, you can check on it. There are things also that we want to avoid, and these are the things, like say for example, large jewelry. Okay, dapat nga business casual attire. So dapat hindi tacky, hindi gaudy, no? Or hindi OA yung ating pananamit. Now, we are discussing this because you are about to have your mock job interview, and of course, in conducting mock job interview, you need to have proper business attires. Okay, but before that, let me ask, if you have questions or if you have clarifications, feel free to message me sa GC and I'll be very happy to assist you. Okay, now pag-usapan natin yung inyong business attire sa inyong or sa ating mock job interview. Okay, I'm not requiring super formal. Okay, pwede na yung business casual attire or pwede ring business professional attire, depende sa availability ng inyong attire. But just I want you to look pleasing and decent, and that you have appropriate attire during our job or mock job interview. Okay? If you have further questions, clarifications, feel free to message me again. And I have here skill building activity. This will just be true or false. And you may click the checked or the activity for today so that it will direct you into the Google form where you have to answer this skill building activity. Again, I will update you regarding our mock job interview, which will serve as your final term exam for business communication. Okay, do not forget also to have your attendance for today and do the skill building activity. And today we have discussed proper business attire, which focuses on business professional attires and business casual attire. I hope that you have perceived and visualized the differences and the appropriacy and the importance of appropriate attire when it comes to business communication. This has been Sir Don, and thank you so much for listening.